Hi everyone and welcome to the LYNQ kitchen. Today we will be making banana cake with LYNQ Invincible. In a large bowl, we're going to mix in 2 eggs, 2 bananas, half a cup of butter, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a 1/4 cup of milk. I like to use almond milk. And I am going to blend this all together. Now we're going to put the dry ingredients. So we will add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of chocolate chips. Mix it all together. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of the Invincible powder, which is great because it helps build your immune system. It's high in vitamin C and iron and folate. All the nutrients come from the fruits and vegetables. So I'm going to mix that all in. Look how good this looks. I am now going to transfer it into my baking pan, which I've already sprayed with some coconut oil. And then I put it in the oven at 350 for about 55 minutes. As you can tell, my kids already ate half of it, so I guess it is really good, but I'm going to taste it now and let you know what I think of it. Really good. Thumbs up. Don't forget to follow us on YouTube, give us a like, and have your friends follow us too. Thank you for watching. So I am actually videotaping this myself because we're in quarantine. Yes? What? There's a spider in your room? I'm starting, so if you want to be in it, you could be in it.
Okay, wait.
Do you want to be in it?
Oh!
Okay. Please be serious. Stop it. 1 cup of sugar, so I'm using brown sugar.
Whoa.
Take 150.